morning, all. It is Bob at Two Pops Breaks. Yeah, well, same with Phil. I mean, same with Irish. Yeah, he's already hit a couple, so he's just like, yeah, I'm passing. All right, so welcome everybody. It's Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Friday. It is February the 9th, and we are breaking Gold Rush multi-sport jerseys. It is a 2-box break. We randomed up our 4 remaining boxes in the case. We got 4 and 5. We did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, then alphabetized the customer list afterwards. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. We did have a bunch of offers. Nothing got accepted though. Just double checking and nothing. All right, fellers. Come on, give us something here, Gold Rush. All right, fellas. Pop, pop of your seal. Everybody gonna see what we get. Wow. Well, this wasn't what we wanted, guys. Bam. Well, dog, I am very sorry. Well, I'm not sorry. That's gonna be your second one, dog. Bam. Going to be a Ryan Tannehill Oilers jersey, guys. Well, folks, I am hoping we got a couple of big hits left out of our last 3 boxes, man. Because our first 3 haven't yielded us much. Last few times that has happened, again, we've gotten some nice hits to finish off, man. But gonna be Tannehill, Oilers, Beckett certification. It's gonna be dog's second one of those. Wow, man, we've been getting a little bit of repeat cases here again, man. We were pulling a lot of new names and such. Now we sort of seem to be in a tiny bit of a case rut there. Next case, guys, I got basketballs and then MLB, so again, both of those products have treated us pretty well also. We've had some huge hits out of the baseball. What the hell did I do with my marker? Wow, guys, let's hope we're going to finish very strong here, man. Because we are not off to a great start in our first 3 out of this case. Come on, Gold Rush. Well, guys, let's go back to our damn V cut here and see if that don't get us moving. Fucking forgot to bring a garbage can, man. Pop, pop. Come on, guys. Give my boys something here, man. Ooh, well, there's something a little nice, guys. Ouch. God, I am so sorry, Irish, man. I know I haven't hit you shit. Wow, guys, this is a nice fucking jersey, man. Going to be the Cal Ripken Jr., folks. And I do believe she is a licensed, guys. It's got the silk screen numbers. Looks like it might be a Mitchell Ness. Phonetics hologram on that baby, and yes sir, that is going to be a Mitchell Ness, guys. Cal Ripken Phonetics hologram on that puppy SD. Very nice hit, Mitchell Ness, Cooperstown Collection, and I do believe that was SD, man. God, man, I have been brutalizing Irish here. I haven't hit him shit lately, man. I am so sorry, Irish. Wow, that's a nice jersey, man, too. Well, guys, let's hope we got one more left. We usually get 2 solid ones out of the case. Again, you get 2 lows, 2 mediums, 2 highs. We should still have a nice solid hit for you. That's a beauty there, though, folks. And again, man, the product, we have our down breaks, but the product has been yielding us decent value by the time we fill out the case. Man, SD gonna nail a beauty of a jersey there, I'll tell you that, guys. Really great jersey, man. That is going to wrap it up, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Call out your keeps, folks. Y'all have a good one.